All right, the problem says to convert 32.4 yards to centimeters. So this is a multi-step dimensional analysis problem where we are going to turn 32.4 yards, abbreviated YD, we're going to turn that into some number of centimeters. And in this specific problem, how I have it, we're actually going to do two steps, two conversions. Okay, so we're going to do two parentheses with fraction bars, two conversion factors. And we're going to go from yards to meters, and then from meters to centimeters. So first up, we need to go from yards, what we're starting with, and get rid of that and convert to meters. So we need to know the relationship between meters and yards. Now we can use either of these two relationships. They both relate yards to meters. Yards to meters. So you can use either one. 1 yard is 0.9144 meters, or 1.0936 yards equals 1 meter. You could use other relationships as well, but these are a little easier because in each instance, one of them is 1. So let's just pick this top one. 1 yard is 0.9144 meters. So my 1 is going to go on the bottom of my conversion factor with yard, and 0.9144 will go on top with meters. So after this first conversion, yards will cancel out, and I will be at meters. And now we need to go from meters to centimeters. So here we can use either of these relationships. I could use 100 centimeters equals 1 meter, or 1 centimeter equals 0.01 meters. So since we are starting with meters at this point and we want to go to centimeters, those will be on top and on bottom like that. And then let's just again use the top relationship where 100 centimeters is 1 meter. So now our units of meters will cancel and I will be left with centimeters, which is what I want. Okay, so let's do the math. What are we going to put into our calculator? Since this is dimensional analysis, we're multiplying by fractions. We're going to multiply by the top of each fraction, divide by the bottom, skipping any ones because they will not change our number. So we're going to start with 32.4. We're going to multiply by the top of our first conversion factor, 0.9144, and then divide by the bottom, but that's 1, so we'll skip that. We will multiply the top of the second one, which is 100, divide by the bottom, which is 1, so we will skip that, and we will hit equals, and we should get around 2,962. Let's round that to 3 significant figures, so that would actually be 2,960 centimeters. If you wanted to put that into scientific notation, that would be 2.96 times 10 to the third, and again, centimeters. All right, so there's how you would solve this problem. Now, say you have different relationships potentially. There are other ways to solve this problem. For instance, here would be the step-by-step dimensional analysis. If we use the relationships of yards to feet, feet to inches, and then inches to centimeters. So just another way you could also solve this problem given different relationships. All right, so final answer for converting 32.4 yards to centimeters, we will get 2,960. All right, if you want to see another example, click in the top right. Please like this video if it helped you in any way. Feel free to look in the doobly-doo below for additional help and resources. Please subscribe and ring the bell to get notified for new videos. And thank you so much for watching.